Innovation. It's never achieved alone. It took two intrepid brothers to push us into the air. Two visionaries competing to electrify the world. It took a team of thousands to launch us into space. We collaborate. We share ideas. We push each other to be better, move quicker, and solve problems we don't know exist yet. We explore and iterate through endless possibilities. We prototype. We fail. And we succeed with rigor. We're designers, engineers, machinists, fabricators, inventors, and doers. Our curiosity leads us to imagine new possibilities, expand our horizons, and explore the unknown. But to succeed, our tools need to be up to the task. Having the right design, simulation, and fabrication tools is essential when bringing an idea to life. Imagine the opportunities when you bring these tools together on one platform. With Fusion 360, you can control your data, drive your machines, simulate your outcomes, electrify your designs, fabricate your visions, and explore the new possible.